Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Gpedit.msc policy presentation element force instant dim does not exist in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open any of the browser that is present or available in your Windows or computer. So in my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser. Okay, the moment you have opened it, wait until you are being redirected to the browser itself. For here, you need to copy a link which I'll be including at the description box below. So copy it, Control C, and once you have copied it, proceed at the Windows search bar and paste the link that you have just copied. Control V to paste and click on enter. The moment you have the click on it, wait until you are being redirected to the result of the particular link that you have just pasted. Okay, so you would be able to see a MediaFire website where it has this attachment where you can download this gpedit.bat file. Now click on this download, and with that it will be automatically being downloaded in our windows. Okay, it will only take less than a minute to do so. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, in my case I have already downloaded such, proceed by closing this browser window and locate the bat file that you have just downloaded in your windows. Okay, so the next step that you need to do is you need to do a right click. After that, proceed with run as administrator. Afterwards, your user ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window and start the procedure. Okay. So it will take some time, maybe 3 to 5 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your machine. You just have to wait until the process would be done, since it is a process on adding a package for the Microsoft Windows Group Policy Client Extensions dash package in your Windows or computer. So just have to wait until all of this will be done. Don't close this window. Don't turn off your computer as well. Put a lot of patience with it, since definitely it will take some time. Okay? Once you're done, you need to click any of the case and it will be closed. And just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.